Hello Stampers, this is super awesome stamper Shirley Merker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Wisconsin, USA. These are my kits in the mail for the one-of-a-kind Facebook virtual event that's happening February 21st, 2026. So my design features the Stair step, and we have some pattern designer series paper that you'll need to fussy cut from the nets of winter. You'll get some ribbons and strips of embellishments in your kit and the cardstock. We'll need to cut some of the designer series paper apart as well. Your kit will be mailed in one of these envelopes, so be looking for that in your mailbox. You will need to add your sentiment stamps, maybe some image stamps, and I use Garden Green and Coastal Cabana ink pad for my stamps, and then your favorite adhesives. I use the Stampin' Dimensionals, the tear and tape, and liquid glue. Paper snips to fussy cut your images, bone folder to crisp up all of the score lines, and then you will need a paper piercing trimmer so that we can cut and score our cardstock. So go to my blog at superawesomestamper.com, click on Kits in the Mail or one-of-a-kind icon for details and ordering. Your purchase will include an emailed PDF tutorial which features step-by-step instructions to create this design with measurements and photos, and then 12 different designs to get your ideas flowing on how to create more of these fun stair step cards. All right, I hope we stamp with you on February 21st. Go to my blog for kit details, and we'll stamp with you soon. Bye.